New and latest 100 modern kitchen designs 2023. Best kitchen remodel ideas and top tips for a friendly budget and successful renovation. Just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us if you haven't already to watch new videos daily. A kitchen is the single most expensive room to remodel, and even cosmetic improvements, painting the existing cabinets and walls, replacing the sink, faucet, and hardware, adding pendant lighting, and upgrading the electrical, can cost $5,000 or more. Knock down walls, rearrange the layout, buy new appliances, cabinets and countertops, and the price of your kitchen redo may skyrocket to $40,000 or $50,000 or more. So, before you hire a pro or begin to tackle the job yourself, know our spend smart tips, from easy upgrades to a total gut renovation, and get the kitchen you covet that fits within your budget. Spend smart strategies for your kitchen makeover. Paint and save on cabinets. New cabinetry can account for between 30% and 40% of your kitchen remodel costs. So, if you're happy with their location and functionality, but the finish is dark or dull, consider painting them instead of replacing them. It's a fairly labor-intensive, but doable DIY project, and your wallet will thank you. Even hiring a painting pro will cost you a fraction of new custom cabinets. For a fresh, airy look, remove the doors of some uppers to create open shelving. Splurge on a quality faucet. The faucet is the hardest working part of the kitchen, so go for quality and convenience, meaning a premium brand and single handle operation. If your sink is in front of a window, make sure to check faucet and handle clearances to make sure it fits, and you won't bash your knuckles on the sill. When choosing a sink to partner with it, simple is best. Go for a single basin, as big as you can fit, and no deeper than 10 inches, so you aren't forced to stoop to do the dishes. Prep before you paint. Whether you're doing it yourself or want to keep an eye on your painter, these tips will help you get it done right. The sheen, or shininess, of the finish impacts how easy it is to clean. Go for semi-gloss on all trim, satin for painted cabinets, and eggshell for walls. Prep before you pick up a paintbrush. No amount of paint or primer will cover up cracked walls or nail holes in the trim. Sand out uneven spots, fill nail holes, and caulk all seams. And if you've hired a team, make sure your contractor clarifies who is responsible for doing that work. The best time to paint your kitchen comes earlier than you might think. Do it before the cabinets and backsplash go on the walls to reduce labor costs. Even after an extra round of touch-ups later, eliminate paint drips on the cabinets and tiles, and ensure a perfect line where they meet the wall. Keep character and functionality in mind when choosing a backsplash. Think of the section of wall between the countertop and the cabinets as a canvas where you can express your personality. Subway tiles offer a traditional look. Unless they are oversized, you lay them vertically, or arrange them in a herringbone pattern. Tiny mosaic patterns are pretty, but the grout lines are harder to clean. Of course, there are many other options, including glass, metal, stone, mosaic, embossed ceramic, and other tiles, and non-tile options, such as beadboard paneling, or metal ceiling tiles. Choose something that reflects your taste, but that's also widely appealing and easy to maintain, so it won't turn off buyers when you put the house on the market someday. Consider quartz. Quartz, a man-made countertop material that looks like stone, has overtaken granite as the most popular countertop choice, according to the National Kitchen Bath Association. And for good reason. Quartz is practically stain-proof, scratch-proof, and chip-proof. It never needs sealing. Quartz comes in a vast assortment of looks, many of which convincingly mimic the natural variegation of marble and limestone, the real versions of which are extremely high-maintenance choices for kitchen countertops. Don't scrimp on lighting. There are 3 different types of light fixtures to choose from for your kitchen. Recessed ceiling fixtures install these over all open floor space to provide ambient light where people will stand and work. Under cabinet lighting. Use this to provide task lighting over the countertops and to highlight the countertop, backsplash, and cabinetry when it's the only light that's on. Pendants ceiling fixtures. Brighten work zones, like islands, peninsulas, and sinks, with decorative pendants that provide diffuse light without creating shadows. Think about wood look flooring alternatives. Wood offers natural, traditional beauty, but it scratches, dents, and wears under kitchen conditions. Easy to clean porcelain tile comes in a wide range of designs, including convincing stone and wood looks, but most things that drop on porcelain will break. So, it's worth considering these softer alternatives. Luxury vinyl and laminate flooring is durable, comparatively soft, and forgiving, and comes in a wide range of wood looks that most people will think is the real thing. Get the look of high-end cabinets for less. Unless you're looking for something truly offbeat, you can find the cabinet look, door style, wood type, and finish you want, without the high cost of custom cabinets, which are made to order to your exact design and size specs. Consider 2 affordable alternatives. Stock cabinets are the least expensive and fastest delivered. Each manufacturer offers a limited menu of styles and finishes in 3-inch width increments. Invest in new windows. You don't need to gut renovate your kitchen to replace the windows and doors, but relocating them, or making them bigger, will require down to the studs demolition, at least in those areas. New windows will improve your energy efficiency. They can tilt in, for easy cleaning, and they will eliminate the unsightly storm windows, common in many houses, with original single-pane windows. Don't make the mistake of swapping out high-quality wood windows for cheap vinyl replacements, however, especially in a majestic building with lots of old house character.
Dear viewer, thank you very much for watching the video until these seconds.
Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe us, if you haven't already, so that you receive new and distinctive videos.